I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off subtitles in the Paramount Plus app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Make sure the movie or show is playing in the Paramount Plus app that you want to turn off subtitles for. Step 2. Tap the screen to bring up the on-screen menu and then tap the Subtitles and Captions icon on this screen. This icon looks like a small text message bubble. The associated menu opens. Step 3. Find the Subtitles menu and then tap to place a check mark next to Off. Subtitles will be turned off in Paramount Plus on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.